Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Mary here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to view someone's profile secretly on TikTok. Firstly, you need to open your TikTok app, and they have a new feature that allows you to see exactly who has viewed your profile, but you can turn that off so you can secretly view a profile without the other person knowing. Firstly, tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner. When you enter on your profile page, tap on little foot like icon on the top right corner. Here you can see people view history will appear here. Only people who turned on profile view history will be shown. Tap on settings icon on the top right corner. Toggle this off or turn this off. It means how you can watch or view others' profile without them knowing, but just as well if someone view your profile, you won't know that someone has viewed your profile. And this is how we view someone's profile secretly on TikTok. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on next tutorial.